Because this fragrant garden favorite is so easy to grow in the right conditions, you'll be grateful for the time you spend growing basil. Enjoy the flavor and the aroma of fresh, homegrown organic basil. Transplanting basil seedlings is so easy, and with good care you will enjoy harvesting basil leaves all summer long. When your basil seedlings have developed their second set of true leaves, it's time to transplant them. To ensure a healthy basil plant, just transplant only the biggest. I always plant one to each container because that way it will grow faster and it doesn't have to compete with its neighbors to get bigger. Use containers with drainage holes. Fill the containers with quality potting soil. About an hour before transplanting, water well your seedlings. This will help you to easily pull them with a fair bit of compost adhering to their roots. Handle the seedlings with care to avoid damaging the tender stems. Poke a hole in the new container's planting mix, place the seedling in the hole, and firm soil around it. Water the transplant right away. Keep the containers out of direct sunlight for a few days to let the transplants recover from the move. Take care not to overwater your basil seedlings. Always be sure to provide them good air circulation and ventilation, so the tops of your seedlings stay dry and standing moisture is kept to a minimum. In order to give your basil plants the best chance of success, it is best to harden them off prior to leaving them outside full time. About 7 days before planting your plants outdoors, help acclimate them to temperatures, sunlight, and wind. This is the process of hardening off, or gradually acclimating your new plants to outdoor conditions. With proper hardening off, they'll have an easier transition to the garden.